My project, I call it Forgotten Emeralds. It's about women and children in war, more especially in northern Uganda. It shows how women and children have suffered as a result of this war, which has been going on for more than 20 years. This is my research material. This piece is an attack on a family. They are trying to rape this girl in front of the mother, and the mother and the father, they are so defenseless. These are the sons in this family. So what they are trying to do to this man, the father of these children, they are trying to stone him with this big rock. The rebels, the commanders of the rebels, are using the children as shields. You know, these artworks to me, they're like children to me. So I would like them to be collected in one place, to have a permanent home for them. My dream, I'm here teaching carving to the orphans.